All right, this is Scott with Michigan Pool News. I'm with Andy Gauthier from Aquatic Source, and we're going to talk a little bit more about sanitation. This month is sanitation. We've got some sanitizers here, 4 different types actually, and we're going to explain those, and then we got a case of acid. The reason we brought out the acid is we're going to talk a little bit about what possibly went on at Michigan Adventure about a week ago. 25 kids
went to the hospital because of a chemical mix of, it sounds like liquid chlorine, sodium hypochlorite, and uranic acid. When they do get mixed by accident, which can happen because most of the equipment rooms have a vat of acid for lowering the pH, and some have also a vat of chlorine. So the possibility of mixing them in any equipment room is there, and when you do mix it, you get a chlorine gas, and you cannot breathe when it happens. So
they said that they could smell it in the neighborhood around the area, and this kind of shows you, I mean, if I was to pop them open, I mean, they're gallon jugs, and yeah, they're somewhat different, I guess, of each other, but a gallon is a gallon, and I mean,
and they're both white.
Yeah, they're both white, and you can see how something like that could happen. So on the sanitation side, man, you want to make sure you got people that are working in your equipment room that know what they're doing and wouldn't make a DA mistake like that, so to speak.
Yeah, it's happened in high schools. It's happened in other places. It's just 2 liquid products in the same kind of a bottle, same similar bottle. It can happen. So be careful and store all your equipment separated from each other so they can't mix also.
Yeah, for sure. And so now we've got 3 tablets here, and what can we talk a little bit about the issues that can happen with this?
The difference in the chemical makeup, you've got dichlor granule, you've got trichlorine sticks, and you've got a calcium hypochloride tablet also. The tablet chlorine, it's easy to get it mixed, and when they do, they can blow up. It's actually like calcium hypochlorite and trichlor, if they mix, just the chemical reaction actually explodes.
And they're both tablets, aren't they?
They're both tablets. You can get 3-inch chlorine tablets, you can get 3-inch calcium hypochlorite tablets. You can get 1-inch chlorine tablets, and you can get another one that's almost a 1-inch cal hypo. It's elongated, but it's similar to a 1-inch tablet. So yeah, you can get it mixed. Be aware of what chemicals you have, and make sure you don't mix. Even if it looks like a regular chlorine tablet that you just bought to go in your feeder, make sure it's the exact same type of chlorine, and just don't assume.
Yeah, that's great information. Actually, on the site for Sanitation Month, we've got a video, just a 30-second video on an explosion of a calcium hypochlorite getting mixed with a dichlor tablet or trichlor tablet. So, well, thanks, and we're hoping everybody's good up at Michigan Adventure. Nobody got severely hurt, but chemicals, this is not something you can take lightly. So, thank you, Andy.
Thank you.
Thanks for viewing Michigan Pool News.